Look at that. Look at that. That's the boy. That's the girl. Yeah, that's another girl. Coming out in the nighttime. Wow, you got prickers on you. Yeah, prickers on your belly. Yeah. Where's the other girl? Right there. Where's the other boy? Where's big boy? Right here. Hi. Is that light bright? Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Where's mommy? Yeah. Where's your mommy, everybody? Huh? Hey, where's mommy at? Yeah, that's the little girl. Where's your brother? I just saw him. Yeah, that's your daddy. Came out for a little visit at night. Yeah. Wow-wee, everybody. Look at that. Where's your mommy at, huh? Where is your mommy? Mommy's out gallivanting. Yeah, I know. I saw the little boy. Here he is. He ran right up to Daddy. Yeah. Good daddy visitor. Hi. Hi, little boy. Yeah. Little girl and the little boy, those two, went for a little trip around the neighborhood or something today. Not sure where they walked off to. Never had that happen before. Hey, big boy. I see what you're up to. Yeah, Daddy found Mommy's food. Yeah, we're looking for Mommy. Yeah, look at big boy. He knows. He says, I'll have a bite of Mommy's food. Good boy, big boy. Yeah, good boy. Where'd he go? Yeah, we're waiting for Mommy. Yeah, we're waiting for Mommy. What do you got in your eye? Booger? Little eye booger? Yeah, we're waiting for Mommy, big boy. Until Mommy gets here, no one gets their food. Yeah. Right? Nobody. Yeah. Look at big boy. He knows. He knows there's food to be had. Yeah. Good boy. You're so smart. Yeah, you're so smart. Your ear's looking really good, dude. That medicine worked real good. Wow. Hi. Hi, little boy. You little instigator. You little troublemaker. I saw you. Yeah, we know you and your sister went for a little vacation. Yeah. Big boy, where's Mommy? We gotta get her food. Yeah. We gotta get Mommy her food. Yeah. Head-butting me. Yeah. Big boy's head bumping me. Because he's a head bumper. You got crud in your eye, big boy. We gotta clean your eyes. Yeah. Where's Blackie? Wow. Where's your Mommy? Look at big boy. He's no dummy. Yeah. You are no dummy. You're no slouch, huh? That's your Mommy's food, big boy. Yeah, that's your Mommy's food. Here, let's make this over that way, okay? You can have your food. Okay? Look it. Everybody wants to go by big boy. Ow! Owie! Good boy, big boy. Good boy. You big muncher. Yeah, is that good? Yeah, we want Mommy to have some. Owie! Somebody just jumped all the way up to my shoulder. Big boy, eat your side. Now, your time to eat Mommy's. All right, we'll take it away. Look at, see? What are you doing up there? Here, go by your daddy. Yeah, she was on my shoulder. Yeah. You gotta give it to Mommy, big boy. Yeah. We gotta give it to Mommy. When Mommy shows up, we'll give everybody some food. Until then, you gotta wait. Be a good boy and girl. Yeah, Mommy's gonna say, "What's going on?" Yeah. You're such a good boy, big boy. Yeah, we know you're a good boy. Yeah. There's your boy. Says, "Hi, Daddy." Here comes the other boy. Wow, look at you running around. Everybody's up by Daddy. Yeah. And these two are trying to get up by Daddy. Look at that little late night party. Who brought the party favors without Mommy? Oh, look at, she almost made it up. One jump. Yeah, pretty good maneuvering. Well, right down. Yeah, where's Blackie? We don't know where Mommy went to. Ow! Somebody's on my leg. We know who it is. It's the little girl. She thinks I'm a cat tree. Yeah. Right, big boy? I'm not a cat tree. Whoa, there he goes. Off into the darkness. That's the little girls. Yeah. Look at these two. Wow. Yeah, we want to give Mommy her food. Where is she? It's late night. She must be out hunting. Wow. All right. I don't know where your Mommy is, but we'll see you all later. Have a good night, right? Yeah. Where's Mommy? I don't know. We don't know where Mommy is. Okay. Have fun. Hey, that's Big Boy sneaking up on the food again. I'll turn my back for 1 second. You guys aren't that sneaky. Yeah, I saw you, big boy. Yeah, I saw you coming over. We're waiting for Mommy, okay, everybody? Yeah, I don't see Mommy. Anyone see Mommy? Nope. All right. We'll see everyone later. Have a good night or day.